Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I would like to cordially welcome anybody that can make it to our first training session here at the new facility. The first section we're going to cap at 20 entrants. I will have a link down below in case you're interested. And the last sessions that we had in the old building, we had patrons from Maine to Florida, to Arizona, to Seattle. So those that come from all over, you are welcome. I don't care where you come from. You do not need any type of experience at all. You could have all the experience in the world. If you want to pick up a few different ways to approach things, you are more than welcome. You can come to the training session with no experience whatsoever, have never touched a vehicle, and you will be able to leave with the knowledge to start making money immediately. We are going to cover everything from basic detailing to paint correction, wet sanding, using different types of polishers, rotary polishers, rotary extensions. We're going to use dual action polishers. You will have the opportunity to try different types of tools and products here during the weekend from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or can run later if that's what needs to be done to get everybody to be satisfied with the knowledge that they want to learn. So to continue on with what we will have here available to learn, wet sanding, coatings, paint protection film, tinting, wheel repair, and with wheel repair we concentrate on road rash and refinishing, and that is all types of wheels. And we also will delve into the business end. Very, very important, especially if you're just getting started or you want some tips and tricks to expand your business. We're going to cover sales, the most important part of communicating with your customer, and marketing and other business aspects of this side of the curtain anyway. So I welcome everybody and anybody that would like to attend. I love meeting you guys in person, and there will be plenty of one-on-one time. We will have more than one instructor there to answer any of your questions. And if there's one portion of the detailing industry you would like to learn about more than another, all you have to do is come to me as soon as you get here. We will discuss it, and we will take some time to zero in on everything that you want to learn. I look forward to it, getting back into the swing of things. We certainly have the room, we have the projector set up. We will cover everything, and I'm excited to see you again. Catch you later.